Hey guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today I have for you 2025 Kawasaki KX 450. So this bike was all brand new for last year in the 2024 model year. Some really cool changes on this bike. So if you look up front here, it's hard to see on that side. You'll have to come around this side. You do have Brembo front brakes on this bike, a big old rotor, and a Brembo caliper. The styling hasn't changed too much, but one thing that did change on this side, there is a toolless airbox cover, so it's kind of like the European bikes. You don't need a tool to change your air filter out. They changed the exhaust setup here, and the reason being is because they changed all the internals of the engine as well. So this is designed for maximum power, maximum airflow. You still have a Nissan rear brake on this bike. And just like the other bikes, you do have the hydraulic clutch, Nissan hydraulic clutch. They changed this right here too, so you don't have the couplers anymore. You actually have your power modes right up here on the bars. You also have traction control, and if you hold those both together, you get launch control. So right out of the showroom, this is a motocross race bike. You can take this to the track, you can pull hole shots, you can podium. Really cool bike. It has the ergo fit stuff like they've been doing for a while, so you can drop your pegs, lift them up, you can move your bars forward and back. Really a lot of cool stuff you can do with these new Kawasaki's. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take a look at it, and take it home.